Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we are going to be installing the ice scratchers on this 2025 Ski-Doo Grand Touring Sport. I have the ice scratcher kit here. You can see the part number right there. This is the OEM kit. You can see it comes with the springs, some miscellaneous hardware, and the large brackets that hold it all on. So I always install ice scratchers on all my sleds no matter what, because you can always use them or not use them. But it's always a good idea to have them if the conditions are right. When I bought the scratchers, I had the dealer print out the instruction manual, so we have that. And the instruction manual does not come in the box with the scratchers. So on this particular model, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop off this cover. I've already loosened it right there. Loosen this bolt. There's a nut on the back that you'll have to take off first. Pull that off and then wiggle this wheel and it will come off as well. Behind it is this plastic cover. Go ahead and pull that off. And then you'll want to loosen the last bolt underneath here with the nut on the back of it and take this bracket completely off. So there it is with the bracket off, and that was originally mounted in the holes that are towards the back of the machine of those two. So there's the new bracket all ready to go. And interestingly, it tells you to put it in the rear set of holes on the left side and the front set of holes on the right side. And looking at how the original bolts were put in, that is also the way it is. So I'm not sure why that is or what the reasoning is, but that's how we're going to do it. There's the ice scratcher bracket installed. And there's the plastic backer that goes behind the bearing. Next we'll put the wheel on. Next we'll go ahead and install the new bolt with the bracket that will hold the scratcher when it's in his rested position. And then we'll go ahead and put the nut. So next thing, we'll put the spring up into place. The spring hooks up into a hole in the back right here and sits up like that. Last thing we'll do is put this bolt on. It also has a spacer in it, and it appears that it goes back and clamps against the back part of that spring and holds it against the piece of aluminum. And there we are, all finished up. We've got the protection on the end here for the scratcher, the wear area. We've got the spring put in and have it stowed up on top of its spot there. So we'll go ahead and do the one on the other side, and then that job is complete. Hope everybody enjoyed the video, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.